What's up, everybody? I have this beautiful chunk of walnut here, and I'm going to be showing you my different approach to making a charcuterie board. What I'm looking to do here is make it look like this board is going to split off in two different directions and also give it this live edge look. So the first thing we want to do is plane this lumber down. And then we're going to remove a little bit off of one side because that's going to give us our angle later on. Then I'm going to go over to the bandsaw and we're going to split it down the middle. Once it's split, make sure you keep your orientation because you want to match up the grain. It's going to look nicer. To give myself a stronger bond for these two boards, I'm going to drill some dowel holes using this jig. Make sure to perfectly align these holes because otherwise your grain is not going to match up. To avoid making mistakes, it's a good idea to make some kind of a stencil of the shape that you're looking for before you actually start cutting anything on wood. To get that live edge look, I'm going to be using a carving wheel that I'm going to attach to my angle grinder. If you're going to do this, make sure that you carve the inner part of the split before you join the boards together because you just won't be able to get in there once it's connected with the tool. Now to connect these boards, you can use standard dowels, but I bought these plug cutters which are going to allow me to cut dowels out of the same material that I'm using, which is walnut. If you want more information about the tools that I'm using, I will leave the links in the description and you can check them out. To finish off these boards, you want to start with a 120 grit and work your way up to a 220. Before you add any finishing product on your board, you need to lightly spray your board down with water and let it dry. That will raise the grain in the wood, and then you're going to lightly sand it with a 220 grit sandpaper, and then you're ready to add your finishing product. I'm going to be selling these boards from time to time in my Etsy shop. The best way to know when I actually have some available is to follow me on Instagram, because I'll be posting information when I have them there. The link to my Instagram is in the description below. If you'd like to buy one of these charcuterie boards, they will be available from time to time in my Etsy shop. If you follow me on Instagram, I will post when I have some available. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If you're new to the channel, please check out my other videos, and if you like those, please think about subscribing. I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you in the next one.